Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to solve Facebook not working on iPhone after the iOS update. So in the case, guys, that your Facebook application is not working properly as soon as the iOS update has been downloading on your device. Well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this issue, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and double check our connections with our Wi-Fi and if we are experiencing some connectivity issues. So if you do have some issues with your Wi-Fi, you need to go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now, the last thing that we could also do in order for us to solve this issue is to go ahead and double check if we have an update available for our Facebook application. So go ahead and search for Facebook on your app stores, and I want you to see if there is an update available. Now, if there is, I would like you ways to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are gonna have the best user experience possible. And one more thing that we could also do in order for us to solve this issue is to actually double check if we have another software update for the new iOS. Now, Apple is definitely aware about its users experiencing bugs like this. So if you would like to check if there is another update available, as you see, it does periodically rolls out some of these new updates for the iOS software, so it would fix, of course, bugs like this, compatibility issues with some applications, and give you the best user experience possible. So all we need to do is to go and tap on update now and update your software so the latest version so that you can have the best user experience possible. That's basically for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.